Hello guys, how are you? Happy weekend. Hello YouTubers. I hope all of you are okay. Right now I'm here at the Chestnut Park, somewhere near in Bukit Panjang area. And right now in the middle of exploring this area, this trail area. So join me in 3, 2, 1, go. So this place a bit confusing because they put some area or direction wherein you can do the Viking and can you do the hiking. So in the right side I cannot do the hiking, but on the left side I can do the hiking. So I will follow this direction and continue my hiking. Okay. Wow, beautiful tree. Interesting. Okay, let's continue our journey, our trail journey. Oh, there's some beautiful trees out here. You see a tree, then there's a plant growing on top of the cat tree. See, very nice. Okay, and this one is okay too. There's some cement formation, then there's a plant on the top. Okay, oh yes, let's continue. Oh, there's a water here, there's a swamp here. Okay, that's cool. Yeah. Okay, I love this dried leaves forming like a carpet in the area. See, love it. Nice color indeed. As I was mentioned earlier, I think we go in a different direction now. We are in a sunbird trail now, so a lot of stone here, rock, so be careful to not injure your ankle. So we must walk very carefully. Okay, I don't know where is the end point, but I think we are nearing the end point probably. Oh, what is this? Okay, so we go on this side. So let's go, let's continue guys. Interesting mushroom formation in this area. Well, I don't know if it is edible, but it's cool, right? It's very nice formation of mushroom in the wooden tree. I love to see this formation, these molds, this algae forming in the trunk of a tree. Very nice. So when you look from afar, it looks like a heart of a tree. How about this one? Interesting, right? Looks like a bonsai to me. See, a trunk of a tree, then there's some small plants grows on top. Very nice. If I could get it and put in our home, it would be very interesting, but I think it's not allowed. Cool, right? If you could put it in your garden at your house, on your home, just outside the door, right, in the garden, so it would be very good and very nice. Nice landscape designer in any house for that matter. Okay, this is the area. Now I'm currently walking. So the area is so steep. So you can see the small trees on the top of my head. So I'm on 300 meters Northern Trail. Okay, so now as you can see on my right side, this is the biking lane. You cannot hike here because all the bike or bicycles are passing this way, and this area that I'm walking in is for the hiking area, so the people can walk here freely without meeting or having the bike on their path. So in that way we can prevent accident, no, with the bike and the people around. So this one is a good strategy, right plan, no, to have a safe bike and safe biking rather, or safe hiking in Chestnut Park. So okay, I'm continue to walk in this area. As you can see, the area is a bit small, enough for people to do their hiking activities. Okay, let's continue our journey. Whoa, looks like this place is everlasting. There's no ending. Just keep walking. Okay, we will see the signage here. There will be some signage here to where we are. So they say here, okay, Munya 1.1 kilometer, Chestnut Point 600 meters, bus stop 1.5, but I want to go here. Okay, let's see. There's some butterfly flying around. Okay, beautiful. So 500 meters. Oh, there's a roadside. We are at the roadside already. Cool. So okay, let's continue to walk. So I see the roadside here is a good sign that I was in a good place, or in the right direction rather. Oh, there's a danger zone here. There's a signage here that I cannot go beyond this point. This is a live firing area. So okay, we're gonna keep clear this place and go in different direction. Okay, let's go guys. So we continue our hiking in this direction, wherein there is a clear pathway for you to walk, and this is the right direction for me. So okay guys, join me again in this ride. So I love this place, so quiet. You can see the loud noise of the birds and some insects making noise. I don't know what type of insects it is, but assuming that there is insects or animals here, for sure they are on the trees. Yeah, hiding somewhere. I hope I can catch one. So I'm just curious. I'm the only one that is walking in this direction. All of the people are going on the opposite direction. So anyway, I'm on 600 meters from the starting point on the Northern Trail, as you can see. So I'm just continue walking and let my feet bring me to the place point of nowhere. No, I don't know what is the end point here. So let's join this adventure. Okay guys, okay, I think we reached the end point. If I am not wrong, this is the end point. I hope it is correct. Let's see and find out. It's around 10 meters away from this end point, and let's see what's beyond this point. Okay. Okay, yeah, most probably this is the end point now, or meeting point, I don't know, whatever.